Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can try to hard reset your Audio Technica earbuds. So for some reason this method is not working in my case, but I find the way to do this in the user manual, so you can just try it. And all I have to do is just to put back both earbuds into this charging case, just like that. And then we have to just click twice on the both earbuds. And then when indicators lights up, we have to click and hold for 6 seconds. As you can see, in my case, the indicators are not turned on for some reason. And there is this another indicator interaction after holding it for the 6 seconds, but that's the information from the user manual. You can try it and maybe it will work in your case. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.